So contrary to what you think you might know about Australia, there are actually no kangaroos hopping about here, and it's actually cold today. It's 8 degrees top temperature all day, so yes, it does get cold here. Cold and rainy and wet. Anyway, the farmers need it, so that's good. Okay, so I've got this quarter valance lined up. It's not quite the same size as the original, but I've sort of bent it and squeezed it to fit and clamped it, and I've tried to make sure that this surface here is flush with this surface here, which is pretty close. So now I'm going to go around and I've drilled some holes so I can actually spot weld it in place, and then I'll change the camera angle looking down so you can see how I'm doing the top. And we'll see how it goes. Oh, my trusty welder. Now it's important to remember this is the inner seam butting up with the bottom, and then there's going to be another panel that goes over the top that closes it off. So this just has to be nice and smooth. So I'm going to actually grind this off once I'm done. And I'll put another tap there. So let's see what I've got done here. I've got my quarter rear on and welded in place. I've got my rear valance on and welded, and welded up the corner here, have that in place. So there's my new panels. Cool bananas!